I'm making this video because I searched on YouTube that I've cleared some files from my phone and I've deleted those files from the recycle bin as well. Still there's no free space in my phone, and I was not able to get some satisfactory action because everyone was like, okay, go to your recycle bin. That means either by going to the gallery and then doing this, either by going to the recycle bin and empty your recycle bin, then the space would free up, or by going to the file manager and then recycle bin here, and then selecting everything and deleting recycle bin, then that would free up space. But that didn't work, right? This video is for you then. So I went to my internal storage and history, it showed 128 GB out of 128 GB full. That means I had to delete some files. So I chose some files, I think some screen recordings or some videos I had after backing up. I selected those videos and deleted them from my phone. It was worth 30 GB. So I was happy, okay, now I would have like 90 GB. It would show 90 out of 128, which is showing right now because I've fixed the error. But earlier, even after deleting those videos, it showed 128 out of 128 GB still used, and please free up space. It didn't make sense. So I thought, okay, maybe I need to delete them from recycle bin. So I went to recycle bin here. You see, recycle bin here in internal storage, and then I selected everything, select on and deleted them. I thought, okay, that should free it up. But no, I went to internal storage again and still showed 128 GB out of 128 GB. So this is how I fixed that error. What you have to do is go to the home page, right? Go to internal storage or my files. Okay, click on my files. This is Samsung, so I have my files. Maybe you can go to your file manager, etc. Then in internal storage, because even though you deleted those files, something is occupying space in the internal storage itself, right? So you go to internal storage and then Android, this option. Click on Android. If you try to delete the entire folder Android, it would say you can't delete Android because recycle bin is part of the folder itself. And then it clicked to me that if recycle bin is part of Android, maybe let me delete the contents of Android and that would free up space in my phone. And I was right. So you won't be able to delete Android, but just in internal storage, click on Android and then try to click on media and delete this like this. Move to recycle bin. You just have to do this and then try to delete as many folders from Android phone. If you try to delete this data folder, it wouldn't give you the option because, well, maybe the recycle bin is part of this. Try to delete media, it would allow you, and then delete OBB as well. Every folder, any extra folder you might have in Android, you have to empty it. So that's the solution. Go to Android and empty all the folders. The moment I did that, it showed okay, deleted, and I went here one step back and I saw that it showed me this 96 GB full out of 128 GB. That means that 30 GB worth of files which I deleted, now it has been taken off from internal storage. Earlier it was not. So just a summary, if the storage is full, delete some files from your phone. After deleting those files from phone, go to recycle bin and delete them from here as well. This should ideally free up some space, but if it is still not freeing up space, then go to internal storage, go to Android and delete the individual folders, especially media. That is the solution. And then I was happy. I thought I would have to, so now it is showing up the free space, like 30 GB worth of space which has been freed. It is showing me that free space. At the same time, if this is not working for you, if I had not found this hack, which luckily I did, my only solution was to format my phone. So you have to put everything aside in your phone. Currently I was like, okay, I just have to free up some space, so let me back up my photographs and heavy videos and then delete them, and then I would have some space and I would be able to manage for like another 6 months, etc. without formatting my phone. But again, if it is not taking space from your it is not taking off space from your internal storage even after deleting files, and this Android button is still not working, then all you have to do is put everything in a backup in an external storage disk or USB drive, and then or in your laptop, and then format your phone. Because hey, this is a device and we don't know, the space gets, even after deleting recycle bin, some contents are not deleted. But yeah, this trick worked for me. It would work for you. This is Samsung that I'm using. I'm pretty sure it'll work in yours as well. So go to file manager, Android, and clear the data. That's it. Thank you.